Hi, welcome to the channel Travelocracy. This is a new channel we have started to share our travel videos with you guys. We have been traveling together from past 10 to 12 years, but we were actually making videos and putting on our personal channels. And this is the first video we are putting there, and it is very special for us because we are celebrating her birthday in Burj Khalifa, Dubai.
This was the day, my birthday, and I was very excited that because we planned it at Burj Khalifa. I was excited to celebrate at the top of the world with what people told me that they serve some very delicious breakfast. We booked breakfast because we have a 1-year-old kid, and kids are not allowed in lunch and dinner. It's only in breakfast where kids are allowed. So that is the reason we booked that, and I was super excited. So we deliberately booked a hotel in Business Bay, the Oberoi's, because it's 5 to 10 minutes drive from there to the Atmosphere restaurant, which is in Burj Khalifa. Uh, it was much near to the hotel. So the moment you reach there, it's magnificent aura, it's spick and span beauty. It's like something mesmerizing. The fountains, the flora maintained there, and the way the guard would, welcome you. All that in itself is like it is designed to make you feel grand. To reach the atmosphere, you have to cross Armani Lounge. So you'll find at the ground floor there's Armani Hotel. We need to cross that, board the lift, reach at what do you say 123rd floor it was, right? Reach at 123rd floor, then you have to go downstairs and go on 122 where the restaurant is located.
There is something I need to mention about the lift of Burj Khalifa. This lift is the fastest lift in the world, 0 to 123 level in just 1 minute. We are actually fast forwarding this video to save time, but the experience is awesome. It's like taking off in a flight. You will feel the pressure, your ears will close. This is something you have to experience.
And I must add on to this that staircase from 123 to 122, that single staircase is designed for you to look at the beauty outside, for you to enjoy the view from 123rd floor, where you'll feel those buildings are like blocks. The moment you step down the stairs, you'll find their staff, some well groomed people sitting there waiting for you. So, because it is pre booking, your name would already be mentioned there. They'll escort you to the seat, whichever they would have booked for us. So, we chose window seat. They took us to the window seat in the restaurant, you will notice there are two parts to it. One is the lounge, another is the restaurant. So when you go for breakfast, you would be taken to the restaurant. While after we placed the order and we were waiting for our food to come, we planned to visit the lounge, and it's well decorated. You'll find some exotic wines, some exotic whiskeys, some 100 years old, 200 years old, and they are just maintained in the shelves. They have some high brand perfumes which a person can buy, but they were really expensive.
I want to discuss about the breakfast menu there. We have two options there. One is a la carte and another one is a buffet kind of thing, which they call as decadence menu. So we have chose decadence menu. I would like to explain a little about this menu and the prices, because there is not much relevant information in the internet. So I would like to clarify all these things in this video. So in the decadence menu, you have sections like cold platter and egg your style, vegan roll day, truffle crepes, and with our choice of sweets. So in sweets, we have French toast, stack crepes, coconut shia, and I'll provide the link of the menu in the description below. It will cost you 375 dirham per person, inclusive of water, juice, tea, and coffee. And if you have an Emirates ID, you will get 35% more discount. I'm talking about window seat. If you are not booking a window seat, which is actually not relevant in Burj Khalifa, if you are sitting in Burj Khalifa and if you are actually there for the view, then it will cost you around 200 dirham. But exactly, even if you are not booking a window seat, I think should be there is not much difference, right?
Right.
Yeah, if it is full on your day and you are not getting the reservation, you can go without window seat
Non-window
also, because
also.
you can get ample of photos and you will get ample of time to spend in the window.
Yes.
So I think that is fine. And other than that, they have a la carte menu and lot of things are there. You can see the same thing in the description link.
So we ordered decadence menu, and it started with cold platter. It was amazing. A brass tower which was beautifully designed with layers of things, and I must mention my baby enjoyed all of them. So the breads, I have never eaten such breads in my life. They were super soft. Cheese was amazing. One slice of cheese my baby ate whole, which he never had in his life earlier. And then we from the eggs menu, you can choose either from the eggs menu or from the vegan. As I chose from vegan. It was some veg kebabs. Again, I should again mention that they were delicious, out of the world.
The last section of our video is about the birthday celebration, and she will tell you about her experience of birthday in Burj Khalifa.
It was amazing. The last part, the moment we finished our breakfast, they came with a platter, a well decorated platter with a tiramisu and my name written with chocolate on the platter, which my baby licked later and he really enjoyed, dirtifying him. And they all clapped for me, and yeah, it was good. They really put efforts to make you feel special. That is good.
I can say in our Dubai trip, two things are unforgettable. One is Burj Khalifa breakfast, and another one is our next video, which is desert safari.
Yeah.
It was very awesome. It was very very awesome. And so, guys, please subscribe our channel. Please like this video and share with your friends and those who actually want to visit Dubai, are planning for Burj Khalifa breakfast. We tried to cover all the information in this video, and in our next video, we will be telling you about the desert safari, our experience, and how we did that, how we booked it, and each and everything.
Yeah, and you have any further question, you can put that in the comment section below.
So please subscribe and like our channel.
Thank you. Bye.
चलो अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे.
Abhi.